country? All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be good job. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect as the children with courtesy to my country and the people. My devotion. India will be a prosperity.
Case Destiny of Great V Hazel. I am here to update you with international and national news. International news. Influenza A H5N1 detected in dairy cows in 6 states in the US. National news. States offer thousands of hectares of graded forest land for green credits. Thank you. Next, my friend.
Sport news is brought to you by K. Bhagat of Great V Hazel. State news. Hyderabad to miss out on April 8 solar eclipse. Enthusiasts across India will miss out on phenomena as the part of totality excludes the region. Sport news. Kohli becomes first batter to complete 7,500 runs in IPL history. MI won by 29 runs against MDC. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by K. Ansha, Great V Hazel. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you. This thought is updated by Josita from Great V Hazel. Thought. The greatest force is born out of the greatest difficulty. Thank you.
By Ishwar of Great V Hazel. Illuminating, meaning providing insight or knowledge or something clear. Friends, please spell after me. Illuminating. 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 Thank you.
This is brought to you by Madhu of Great V Hazel. Today's GK question. Question for grade 1. In which direction does the sun rise? In which direction does the sun rise? Yes, we picked the right answer and the answer is yes. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. In which direction does the sun set? Yes, we picked the right answer. And the answer is west. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. Which are the 4 main directions? Yes, we picked the right answer. And the answer is east, west, north, south. Let us appreciate them. East, west, north, south are directions known as Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is coordinate directions. Let us appreciate them. Think you are standing and facing the east direction, then which direction does your left side will be? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is north. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a good day.
History of the week is brought to you by Rahul from Great V Hazel. History of the week. Did you know, friends, it was 3rd April 1984, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to travel to space. Can anyone tell me who was the first Indian woman to travel to space? You pick the correct answer. And answer is Kalpana Chawla. Thank you.
From Great V Hazel, amazing facts. Fact number 1: 71% of the earth is covered by water. Fact number 2: butterflies start with their feet. Fact number 3:
dwarf planets. Fact number 4. Andromeda galaxy is a neighbor for Milky Way. Fact number 5. India is the birthplace of cotton. Thank you.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be Amras Party. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Sanjay of Great Safar. International news. Iran does not recognize Israel and the two countries have fought a shadow war for years. Russia accuses Ukraine of attacking Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant. National news. PM launches BJP's poll campaign in Madhya Pradesh with roadshow. Pondicherry did not benefit from the alliances with BJP Stalin. Manipur ethnic violence. Supreme Court allows retired cop mentoring probe to travel abroad. Thank you.
Today's State and Sport News is brought to you by Omkar of Graded Sapphires. State News. Hyderabad to miss out on April 8 solar eclipse. MCC police steps up vehicle checks. Sport News. LSG bet GT by 33 runs. MI won by DC 29 runs. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by Vishnu from Graded Safar. Weather report. Maximum temperature 41 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by Hasni of Graded Sapphire. Thought: it is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Thank you.
Self-examined Kamal from Graded Sapphire. Word. Prevenged, confused and slightly wondered by the something because do not understand. Friends, please spell after me. P-E-R-P-L-E-X-E-D. Thank you.
Today's article on Ugadi is brought to you by Jahanai from Grade 8. Today's article: Ugadi is celebrated as a new year of by an Andhra Pradesh and Telugu all over the country. Is considered as an auspicious day as it being of the new month based on the Hindu calendar. People be Lord Brahma started creating the elements of the earth on this day. On this day, people believe that Lord Brahma started creating the elements on the earth on this day. Before the festival, people clean their houses, buy new clothes and gifts for the family members on the Ugadi day. Thank you.